yung backstage. Nagkamali ko. Hello! Sino ba mga Yumi natin? Thank you! Okay po ba kayo? Okay ba? Okay ba? Alright. For my first song, I would like to give you mamaya ka, okay? Baka tayo magbabang-bang, okay? Ngayon, kakatamo na ako from Sia. How do you like this one? Thank you, walang kain. Check. Okay, relax tayo, ha? Cause I'm just holding on for tonight, on for tonight. Shining so bright on my face, gotta get up now, gotta run from this. They call me Shishay, they call me Shishay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right tonight in the sky. Just holding on for tonight. Happy I'm holding on for tonight. Rolling down, open my eyes. Keep my eyes until morning light. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. On for tonight. On for tonight. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. On for tonight. On for tonight. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. 'Cause I'm just holding on for tonight. On for tonight. On for tonight. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sige, mamaya po ha. Okay. Maraming salamat. Hiningal po ako nun. Wait lang. Hello po. Salamat po. Ayan. Sino po ba yung talagang
nanonood po sa akin sa TNT. Ayan. Kung nanonood po kayo, ano po yung last na kinanta ko sa semi-finals? Semi-finals po. No. Semis. Right. Okay, this is my next song. So we can Rigid Velasquez. Thank you so much. Narito ako, umiibig, laging tulala, ligalig. Heto na naman, at halos di mapakaling sa damdamin na pinakalimithim. Narito ako, maabig ng mga kunding nakainis. Napakaras ng pinipani kong isip, kalayaan ko aking inaawit. Narito ako na lagi nang nakatingin sa mga ulap at bituin. Puso isip ko ay isa hiwatig. Narito ako, umiibig. May kutob ako, bumibitig. Eto na sa wakas ang pag-ibig. Narito ako, hanggang nakatitig sa mga ulap bituin. Puso isip ko ay isang hiwatig. Narito ako, oh baby. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Ang dami palang tao. Hindi masyadong dito kasi spotlight eh. Hello po! Kumusta po kayo dyan? Hi, Dami! Thank you. Okay. Ayan. Pero pwede po magka-picture mamaya, no? Ayan. Sige. I love you too! Ayan, ready na ba kayo sa last song ko? Ay, bago pala yun. Gusto ko kayo invite again sa aming grand finals sa next year po. Diba? Ang tagal pa. Ayan. Meron pa kayong chance na mag-ipon ng SIM cards para po mag-vote po sa inyo pong vote, ano ba to? Manok. Manok ba? Ayan. Isang vote lang po per SIM. So, the more SIMs you have, the more chances of winning. Ganon. Ayan. So, I'm gonna do my last song. Before that pala, sorry. You can follow me on Instagram. Just type Yumi_alive. And sa Facebook po and Twitter, Yumi Kapili. Hi! Sumigaw ka ulit ang Yumi Natics! Heart, heart. Heart, heart. Yep. Alright, this one gonna be our last song and ito yung request nyo. Summer from Jessie J, Ariana Grande, and Nicki Minaj. Let's go! She got it better like a never possible. I can give it to you all the time. Yeah. She got me moving like a candlelight, but I can switch you into all the time. You've been waiting for that. So I'm swing, yeah, man. Come on, say anybody could be bad to you. You need a cool kind of blow your mind. Yeah. Hey, come on, into the road. I know you want it. Bang, all over you. I need to have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, to you. It was so hard. I know you want it. Bang, bang, sit on my car. I need to have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, to you. She found out you hold me head in school, but I'ma show you how to graduate. Yeah. No, I don't need to hear your time to time. Just gonna show me what your mama gave. You got a very big shh now, but don't say a thing. Say anybody could be good to you. You need a bad that'll pull your mind. Hey, come on, into the road. I know you want it, bang bang all over you. I need to love it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, to you. Bang bang, baby, so hard. I know you want it, bang bang. Seat on my car. I need to love it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, to you. It's Christmas time, it's reasonable, no secret, no parties. So we're gonna bring it loud, and take a lot of love. So get us up here, shoot, I'm gonna take a ride, I'm gonna that good. Yo, hey man, rockin' and bang bang, cockin' and cream, you can all make pumpin'. It's me, Jessie, and Ari. If me, Jessie, then sorry. Ride us up like a Harley, then pull up in this Ferrari. If we're hanging, we bang and pull rain with his lightning. You didn't carry up, and I'm gonna get the mic, and still shaking. B to the A, to the N, to the G, to the B to the A, to the N, to the G, to the hey. Say anybody come be close to you. You need a bang and into the road. I know you want it all over you. I need you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, bang bang, so hard. I know you want it, bang bang, sit on my car. I need you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, to you. Bang bang, into the road. I know you want it, bang bang, all over you. I need you have it. Bang bang, bang bang, bang bang, bang bang, bang bang, so hard. I know you want it. Sit on my car. I need you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, to thank you so much. God bless you all. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Ang bang-bang, ang sababang sa galing at Bulacan! Bang! Bang! Ang bang!
Thank you. Thank you.
Galing!
Grabe! Kaya mo yun! Kaya mo ka rin!
Woo! Hanggang doon lang.
Sige, sige, sige.
Hanggang woo! Regine. Pwede, pwede.
Grabe, unstoppable talaga, no? Galing mo. Grabe.
Labi, kaya mo ba yun?
Yung ginawa niya, gawin mo
Ano,
na. Gawin mo ulit. Yung woo!
Kaya mo yan, Labi. I know you can.
Kaya mo yung namin! Sige, sige, sige.
Pinapahiya nyo talaga.
Matagal na yung matagal.
Parang ako sinasabihan.
Ano nga yun?
Ganun talaga.
Basta kanya bagay, tayo pa rin sinasabihan mo.
Kita mo ko, courage. For sure.
Ganun.
Sige.
Ayan, Miss Yumi.
Yes. Makapag-yun ako.
Baka pwede mo ba kwento sa ating mga fans mo, kung ano yung experience mo during the Tawag ng Tanghalan.
Isang malaking privilege po na makasama sa grand finalists ng Tawag ng Tanghalan. Ayun nga po, nakakapunta kami sa Jensen, sa Coronadal, dito po sa Zamboanga. Thank you so much. At sa iba't ibang lugar pa po. At namimit namin yung mga fans namin.
Wow!
Nakakatawa, kasi hindi lang sa Manila, meron din sa Visayas.
Wow! Nasaan yung mga fans mo dito? Hello! Gabi, napaka-unstoppable mo talaga.
Very unstoppable.
Yes, ano yung sikreto mo dun?
Basta huwag na nilang pipigilan. Kaya nga, mali yun. Last ko na yun. Tama na, okay, let's move on.
Next question, baka may tanong ko pa.
Yung paborito murado.
Yes.
Paborito murado? Si Mr. Raven.
Ayaw.
Unstoppable.
Walang paborito.
So have you, yung may doubt ka sa self mo na baka igong ka on your first sabak pa lang sa Tawag ng Tanghalan?
Actually, nakabahan po ako, pero syempre, iniiwasan natin yun eh. So, ang ginagawa ko po, ini-enjoy ko na lang yung bawat performance. Parang gig nga lang sabi nila. So, para hindi ma-apektuhan yung performance ko.
I've heard na kasali ka sa...
Opo. Actually, I never heard that. Ayun nominees. Opo, kami po dalawa ni Coven, meron po kaming nominations para yung sa Wish. Ayan, yun nga po, dahil nga sabi niyo po ha, i-vote po niyo yung kaming dalawa. Sino po ang natutusukan niyo sa Wish starting December 16. And yung awardings po will be on January 16.
Wow, bongga!
Mensahe mo para sa mga fans natin dito sa Zamboanga. Ang dami nila.
Hindi ko akalain ganito karami. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta, sa pag-aantay, sa pagtsatsaga. At asahan niyo po na gagalingan pa po namin every performance namin. At hindi po kayo mag-disappoint. I love you all! Illuminatis! God bless you!
Maraming salamat. Unstoppable. Ang kabog-kabog. Bulacan.
Aspa!
Ito yung next performer naman natin.
Yes!
Six-time defending champion at ang Bukid Wonder Boy ng Negros.
Let's all welcome!
Noben Belieza!
Magandang gabi po. KCC. Zamboanga, magandang gabi po.